Bursa, known as the Green City, is a hidden gem nestled at the foot of the majestic mountains, where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine. Here are the best things to do in Bursa, Turkey. Number 12. Bursa Grand Mosque. Discover the captivating allure of Bursa Grand Mosque, a true testament to the architectural brilliance and historical significance of the Ottoman Empire. Built in the 14th century during Bursa's reign as the first capital, this magnificent mosque has become a cherished destination for history enthusiasts and lovers of extraordinary craftsmanship. As you explore the sacred interiors adorned with exquisitely carved wooden pulpits, you will have a glimpse into the past and the foundations of modern Turkey. Beyond its architectural grandeur, the mosque remains an active religious hub where daily prayers and Friday sermons resonate, keeping its spiritual essence alive. Number 12. Topane Park. Visit Topane Park, a place where historical significance and natural beauty. This enchanting park is not your average green space. It's actually part of UNESCO's World Heritage listing. Strolling along its lush, verdant paths, serenaded by melodious birdsong that harmonizes with the soothing rustle of leaves. Take a moment to breathe in the fragrant floral scents that permeate the air. Located high on a hilltop within the walled city, the park offers the chance to absorb the gripping panoramic views of the city, with landmarks like the revered Osman Gazi tomb drawing your attention. While you're there, make sure to admire the magnificent Ottoman-era architecture that adorns the park, a testament to Bursa's cultural heritage. Number 10. Bursa Karagöz Museum. If you are looking to experience the magic of Turkish culture, Bursa's Karagöz Museum, also known as the Shadow Puppet Museum, is an absolute gem you won't want to miss. It's a tribute to Bursa's historic shadow puppetry and offers an exciting journey into this unique art form. Inside the museum, you'll encounter the iconic characters Karagöz and Hacivat from the traditional Ottoman theater. These playful puppets bring the history of Turkish shadow puppetry to life before your eyes. You can even participate in hands-on workshops and performances to truly appreciate the craftsmanship behind these enchanting figures. Number 9. Urganda Bridge. Enjoy the thrill of crossing the historic Urganda Bridge. This iconic bridge, dating back to the early Ottoman period, holds a special place in the city's history. Spanning over Gökdere Creek, it connects the vibrant city center to the enchanting Yesha neighborhood, making it a convenient route for exploration. As you take each step, imagine the stories this bridge could tell. But wait, there's more. The bridge also boasts traditional shops called arastas. These hidden gems offer a shopping experience like no other, where you can find unique local crafts and souvenirs. Number 8. Nkaya Tree. When in Bursa, make sure to visit the awe-inspiring Nkaya tree, the largest tree in the country. This massive marvel stands at 121 feet and boasts a crown diameter of 173 feet. Imagine the breathtaking sight as you stand before this ancient tree, which has stood the test of time for over 600 years. With a circumference of 32 feet, its sprawling branches create a mesmerizing canopy overhead. The surrounding area also boasts a resort-like atmosphere, allowing you to relax and soak in the beauty of this magnificent marvel. Thanks to recent development efforts, accessing and preserving this landmark has become easier, and before leaving, take the chance to explore Nkaya village itself, offering a unique stay experience. Number 7. Bursa Cable Car. Get ready to go on a thrilling journey that will leave you breathless. Hop on board the Bursa Cable Car and prepare for an exciting ride to Uludağ Mountain. This exhilarating experience will leave you speechless as you ascend to the majestic peak. Brace yourself for over 20 minutes of jaw-dropping panoramic views that will make your heart skip a beat. Did you know that Bursa Cable Car holds the title of Turkey's longest cable car ride? It's not just an adrenaline rush, it's also the easiest way to reach the magnificent Uludağ Mountain from Bursa and enjoy the mountain's offerings. Feel the excitement build as you approach the three-quarter point, where you'll switch to another cable car, adding an extra layer of thrill to your adventure. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Bursa experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Bursa Central Bazaar. Bursa Central Bazaar offers a unique way to absorb the vibrant atmosphere of this bustling shopping hub. At its heart lies Kozahan, an iconic landmark that is an absolute gem that can't be overlooked. This historical spot is brimming with great ambience and tells a story of Bursa's rich heritage. No need to step inside to feel its magic. Stroll through the ancient walls, pause at the cozy cafes, and browse the charming shops. The range of goods on offer will leave you in awe. From locally crafted handicrafts to exquisite textiles and traditional Turkish carpets, the choices are endless. Number 5. Cumhurbaşkazuk. Take a leisurely stroll through the alleys of Cumhurbaşkazuk. This place will take you straight into the Ottoman era with its narrow cobblestone paths and spectacular architecture. Can you believe this village has been around for 700 years? As you wander, take in the lively atmosphere created by the friendly locals. They've got a little something for everyone, from fresh fruit and mouth-watering honey to irresistible souvenirs. Make sure to strike up a conversation and get a taste of their finest produce. Don't forget to pick up some delightful souvenirs to remember your time here. Number 4. Bursa Castle. Bursa Castle is an entrancing historical site that commands attention with its majestic presence. Standing proudly on a hill, it has served as a formidable fortress throughout the ages, protecting the city and witnessing countless stories unfold. As you stroll along its well-preserved walls and admire the intricate structures, you'll enjoy the astounding views that stretch as far as the eye can see, creating an ideal setting for exploration. Take a moment to visit other ancient constructions nestled within, which house an intriguing collection of artifacts and exhibits, allowing you to immerse yourself in the vibrant heritage of the region. Number 3. The Grand Mosque and Tomb. Plan a visit to the Grand Mosque and Tomb if you're interested in Islamic culture and Ottoman history. It's not just any ordinary mosque, it's considered the most beautiful in Bursa. The stunning deep green color of the mosque holds great significance in the Muslim culture and is truly mesmerizing. Inside this architectural masterpiece, you'll be spellbound by the intricate details and superb craftsmanship. The Grand Mosque was built during the early Ottoman Empire, showcasing a remarkable fusion of beauty and technical skill. Also, don't miss the visually striking green tomb right next to the mosque. Together, they form the Grand Mosque complex, adding to the splendor of the attraction. Number 2. Muradiya Mosque Complex. The Muradiya Mosque Complex is a perfect blend of history and architectural magnificence. Constructed by Sultan Murad II during the early 15th century, this complex offers a range of attractions that will leave you awestruck. From the lovely Muradiya Mosque, showcasing exquisite architectural beauty, to the religious school, soup kitchen, and bathhouse, each element tells a tale of the Ottoman era. Take a moment to absorb the tranquil atmosphere and bask in the spirituality that permeates the air. While strolling through the complex, you'll encounter the tombs of Ottoman sultans and their families, reminding you of the rich history that unfolded within these walls. Number 1. Gölyazı. Gölyazı is a relaxing and rustic fishing village located about 24 miles from Bursa. Nestled on the picturesque shores of Ulubat Lake, this village has a lot to offer. Aside from its historical sites, Gölyazı boasts a serene and lovely atmosphere that serves as a perfect escape from the chaos of city life. Wander through its narrow streets, adorned with traditional Ottoman-style houses, and submerge yourself in the beauty of the lush green landscapes. Don't forget to take in the wide views of the lake and surrounding mountains. To enhance your experience, hop on a scenic boat ride or take a stroll along the lakeshore. Click here for more things to do in Turkey.